Last year I fell off the ladder and hurt my wrist pretty good. Let's try not to do that this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's the Home Dad. Today is part 2 of getting the front of this house ready for fall. We did this one yesterday. So today we are taking care of the rest of our front yard. This whole area, these bushes, trimming, removing a couple of these bushes here. We will build a mulch bed here and it's gonna run all the way down there. And then pine straw on that side. And it's gonna look great. I think I'm going to start massacring some more bushes. All right, so after looking at it, I think I may leave those 2 in there. You let me know what you think. If you think I should remove them or leave 2 of those in there, comment down below and let me know. Nothing is safe when I'm around. All right, it's time to take care of these. Last year I started from that side and came down so they weren't even. This year I'm gonna start from here and work my way around so I can get them to be more even. And also last year I fell off the ladder and hurt my wrist pretty good. Let's try not to do that this year. You'll see how thick that is. This Craftsman corded hedge trimmer, I actually picked it up when I went to Lowe's to get all this other stuff. I had other ones in the past. I like corded because you just keep going and going and going and going. You don't have to worry about the battery dying. And gas powered is just too expensive. For the price for this thing, and it being able to do all of this and all over here and this, and it hasn't jammed once, it hasn't struggled. I mean, my goodness, this thing is it's freaking awesome. It's not even heavy. I mean, it's super light. You see me use it with just one hand. I will recommend this thing. All right, so I have picked up everything. I went ahead and got all that cleaned up. You can see, got it all cleaned up, all that stuff down there. Now I'm gonna go and cut the yard real quick, get that out of the way, so when I'm placing the beds and stuff like that, I'm not getting any grass in there. So cut this grass, and then we'll get to laying the beds. Always a family event.
I got a big weed.
You got a big weed?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm going on break. Oh, yeah, I'm exhausted. I hope I have enough mulch. All right, guys, I took that break. Turned into me sitting on the couch, and then the soreness kicked in. So I just sat there, and now it is Monday, and the kids are at school. I'm gonna finish this up. I think I can get it done before he gets off. right, guys, it is all finished up. It looks great. I got it done just in time. I got to run to go get Trip real quick. And when I get back, we'll do the reveal. All right, guys, that's it for us today. I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget, if you're enjoying this kind of stuff, subscribe.
Bye.
And we'll catch you next time. Good job, bud. Bye, guys. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Good job. That was a good one.